Hey mama, if you're listening to this, first of all, congratulations. You just did something incredible. You brought a new life into the world. But also, if you're feeling overwhelmed, exhausted, or just not yourself right now, I want you to know it's okay. Seriously. It's more than okay to not be okay. This season is a wild ride of emotions and nobody expects you to have it all figured out. The messy hair, the tears, sometimes from you, sometimes from your baby, the mountain of laundry piling up. It's all part of the journey. You don't have to do this alone. Let yourself rest. If someone offers to help, say yes, even if it's just to hold the baby while you take a shower or grab a nap. Drink water, grab a snack, and when you can, talk about how you're really feeling. There's so much power in sharing your heart, whether it's with a friend, a partner, or even a professional. You are not failing. You are not broken. You are healing and growing right alongside your baby. So breathe, take it one moment at a time, and remember, being honest about your struggles is a sign of strength. You are not alone, and you are doing so much better than you think.